if you're planning to go to college next year, once again, FAFSA troubles already before we even get to the FAFSA time. So originally, FAFSA, the ed department said the FAFSA would be out October 1st this year after the craziness of last year. Now they're saying that it's going to be released to a limited number of students and institutions. So we don't know when it will fully be out released to everyone, but right now they're saying it should be a full debut by December 1st, but we'll see if that really is accurate, because last year they said the full debut would be out by December, and then there were so many mistakes that they started limiting access. So who knows what will happen? Just prepare to start checking in October to see if the FAFSA is available to you, because there might be some things that are not good with the form. Like last year, there were delays sending to the institution. So the sooner you get it done, the better, especially because it might not even be released to you October 1st.